Along the top of the grill is going to be several tabs you want to release. You want to go ahead and gently lift up here, here, and as you're undoing these clips, just gently pull forward on the grill, clip, clip, and then one up top here. The grill will tilt forward, lift up and out. You're going to release these brackets here from the bumper. Using a T20 Torx bit, go ahead and remove this bolt here. And then this one down below right here. You want to grab the headlamp assembly. Pull that forward. On the back side, you have the light bulb unit itself. You can unplug the unit. In our case here, we're just going to undo the lock tab, pop the light out, and go ahead and reinstall your light bulb unit. So with the bulb seated in there, go ahead and get your twist lock on. You want to make sure that your adjuster screw is going up underneath the support here, so it'll be visible through this upper hole. Now I want to go ahead and get this pin lined up inside there, so that fits in like that. Let's now go ahead and get our screw started. On the right-hand side, there is a tab that has to go in to the support as well. Once that's lined up and you have your pin lined up top, let's go ahead and get the lower screw installed. And we'll go ahead and snug these screws down. Once you have those down, nice and snug, you want to pay attention to the adjuster screw up top. If you do need to adjust this light, that is how you're going to do it. Use a Phillips head. You can go ahead and turn that counterclockwise or clockwise to raise and lower that beam. Let's go ahead and get these tabs put into the notches in the top portion of the bumper. Line this up. Work the grill back. And gently press the grill back until you feel all of these tabs locking in. And do this for all 6.